Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to default back to the old Reddit theme on your Reddit account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up Reddit or sign into Reddit and select your profile icon up at the top right. Go down and select the settings gear button near the bottom of the list, and then select the Preferences tab. Scrolling down again, there should be an item if you scroll pretty much near the bottom of the page where it says default to old Reddit. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference. And then you can go ahead and just select the opt out option to opt out. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.